Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. This is Yuri. Today I will show you how to cook Koya-dofu. And Koya-dofu is one of my favorite food. Tastes good, and also because of the vegan person, tofu is very good source of the protein. So today I will show you one of the very good taste Koya-dofu cooking, which is deep fry version. I am taking a class in college. The class is nutrition, and I discovered that I need to eat more calcium. I don't consume milk products. It's have been about 4-5 years. I stopped eating milk and animal protein besides seafood. So I need to take some kind of calcium food. If I'm in Japan, it's easy because they have lots of fish and seafood out there. So it's very easy to buy some stuff. But here in the United States, it's kind of difficult. I can't buy exactly what I want and the same product in Japan here. So I research about what I can eat, Japanese food and also high calcium food. Then I thought Koya-dofu. Koya-dofu is traditional Japanese food, and not so many young people eat this one, but very tasty the way you cook it certain way. And because not so many people know, maybe people here wants to know the product and how to cook. It's very good nutritious wise, and I recommend you, if you are like me, not eating animal protein or milk products. What is Koya-dofu? They have several different names, and it's like this. It's almost like spongy look like, or the soap look like, but it's very light and just like that. And like what I said, several different names because where they made the lesions, they have different names. And I researched about it, then that's what I discovered. And also how this products came from. You know that we have Japanese people eat lots of tofu and soy products or soy protein. And Koya-dofu is actually tofu, the regular tofu that you're thinking about. And they said they have different story, that's how they create it. But one is somebody who had tofu long time ago, put outside the cold lesion of the part of Japan and left over overnight, and tofu freeze. Then during the day it's defrost and freeze again and defrost, so that tofu become like sponge, because when it's cold, the contain is water contained in tofu, freeze it and defrost, and so that's make a hole. So it looks like actually probably sponge. Then they dehydrate it after that. Then that's become this kind of Koya-dofu, and it does actually really light. And when you soak in the water or the warm water, it expands. Japan, Koya-dofu is relatively cheap. Where you can buy in the United States, probably Asian grocery store. I never seen Koya-dofu in Whole Foods yet, in some other grocery store around my house. I don't think it's popular. And tofu itself, that's American people, many people say that they don't have any taste, and I don't like it. So probably it's very difficult to sell Koya-dofu at this point. So you better go to Asian grocery store to find it. I hope you learned something new, and I really hope that you're gonna make this recipe for short future. So if you like this video, please subscribe YouTube my channel and follow up those Instagrams. I hope you like this video. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Chef Yuri. Thanks for watching. See you next time.